Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily create your own equalizer preset in your SOUNDCORE AeroFit Pro headphones. If you at first unlock your device and open the SOUNDCORE application, you'll see a lot of cool things. If you want to know how to set up your SOUNDCORE application with your headphones and install them, of course, in your phone, check it out on the channel. So now, once they are connected, tap Sound Effects, and now to create your own equalizer preset, tap Custom EQ. Once tapped, you can, as you can see, manage the equalizers. Actually, singular equalizer. Let me do, for example, something like this. And now here, as you can see, we do have our equalizer. If we tap plus, we can name this equalizer, for example, cool music. Done. This is cool music. This one isn't named because it is the default one. And that's how it works. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, leave a like on our video. Goodbye.